Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Looking for an easy way to keep your garden hydrated? The best soaker hoses deliver water directly to your plant's roots, saving time, conserving water, and promoting healthier growth. Discover how effortless, efficient watering can truly be. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Secbulk 2025 Flat Soaker Hose 100 feet. The Secbulk 2025 Flat Soaker Hose 100 feet is an excellent solution for gardeners seeking consistent, waste-free irrigation. This drip irrigation hose is designed with a clog-resistant fabric cover made from recycled vinyl, ensuring even water distribution across its entire length. Unlike traditional watering methods that may leave certain areas dry, this soaker hose delivers water directly to the base of plants, reducing leaf damage and promoting healthier growth. It is particularly suitable for narrow garden beds or densely planted areas where precision watering is key. The hose's end-to-end linkable design allows for flexible DIY irrigation setups, whether above ground or buried under up to 3 inches of soil or mulch. Rust-resistant end caps make it easy to connect multiple hoses, and it is fully compatible with timers, enabling automated watering for convenience and efficiency. Durability is another standout feature of the Secbulk hose. The double-layer PVC core wrapped in extra-strength fabric provides superior protection against sun damage, extending the life of the hose through all seasons. Environmentally conscious gardeners will appreciate that it's made from 100% recycled vinyl that passes the CA65 test, making it safe for vegetables, herbs, and other edible plants. Storage is simple thanks to the hose's flat, kink-resistant design, which rolls up neatly without tangling, ready for next season. Secbulk also recommends maintaining a water pressure of 40 to 90 psi for optimal results, though hot water should be avoided. With a 1-year warranty backing the product, gardeners can feel confident in its reliability.
Number 2. Apgooface Garden Soaker Hose Kit. The Apgooface Garden Soaker Hose Kit is a versatile and durable option for anyone looking to create a well-watered garden with minimal effort. Its unique 3-tube configuration ensures water is evenly distributed along the hose's length, providing targeted hydration to plants while conserving water. The end caps make it easy to connect additional hoses, allowing gardeners to expand their watering setup as needed. Made with UV-resistant materials, this hose is built to withstand exposure to sunlight and harsh outdoor conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Unlike traditional hoses that often tangle or kink, the Apgooface design lies flat on the ground, making setup, movement, and storage effortless. Its lightweight construction allows for easy handling, and when not in use, the hose rolls up neatly for compact storage. The kit's adaptability makes it perfect for a range of applications, from watering new sod and flower beds to irrigating shrubs and vegetable patches. Its flexibility allows it to snake around tight spaces, ensuring every inch of the garden receives consistent moisture. Whether used above ground or partially buried under mulch, this soaker hose delivers water directly to the plant roots, minimizing evaporation and protecting foliage from water-related damage. Its connection system is compatible with faucets, timers, and splitters, providing convenient integration into existing irrigation setups. Overall, the Apgooface Garden Soaker Hose Kit combines efficient watering, durability, and ease of use in one product. It is ideal for gardeners who want a reliable, low-maintenance solution that promotes plant health and conserves water. Its tangle-free, flat design and long-lasting materials make it an excellent investment for maintaining a lush, thriving garden season after season.
Number 3. Hlinker Leak-Free Soaker Hose. The Hlinker Leak-Free Soaker Hose offers a premium watering experience for gardeners who demand consistent performance and durability. Constructed with a clog-resistant fabric cover made from recycled vinyl, this hose provides uniform moisture distribution along its entire length, ensuring that every section of the garden receives the proper amount of water. This targeted irrigation minimizes water waste, reduces evaporation, and prevents leaf damage, making it particularly suitable for delicate plants and edible gardens. Its flat, kink-resistant design allows for easy storage and convenient deployment each season, while the hose's flexibility ensures it can snake around existing plants without disturbing their growth. With these thoughtful features, the Hlinker leak-free soaker hose combines efficiency, reliability, and eco-conscious design to provide gardeners with a practical solution for year-round irrigation.
Number 4. Water-saving soaker hose. The water-saving soaker hose is an excellent choice for gardeners who want to optimize water usage without compromising plant health. Its 25-foot length features a double-layer design with a flexible rubber core and high-density fabric sleeve, providing slow, consistent seepage directly to plant roots. By reducing evaporation and minimizing runoff, this hose can save up to 80% of water compared to traditional watering methods. The end-to-end connectable design allows gardeners to link multiple hoses, creating a custom irrigation system that suits any garden layout. Its efficient design ensures water reaches the base of each plant, promoting healthy growth and reducing leaf damage. Lightweight and flexible, it is easy to move, unfold, and position, while rolling it up for storage is hassle-free. Ideal for small gardens, flower beds, and vegetable patches, this hose combines convenience, sustainability, and performance in a single package.
Number 5. Soaker hose for vegetables. The soaker hose for vegetables is designed with gardeners in mind who seek reliable and efficient irrigation for their vegetable patches and flower beds. Crafted from high-quality PVC with a reinforced fabric lining, this hose delivers uniform water seepage throughout its length, ensuring every plant receives consistent hydration. Its upgraded double-layer construction offers extra protection against sun damage and wear, extending the hose lifespan and making it suitable for year-round use. The flat, porous design prevents water pooling in some areas and dryness in others, effectively saving up to 80% of water while delivering moisture directly to plant roots. Elastic and kink-resistant, its versatile design makes it suitable for gardens, orchards, lawns, and any area requiring efficient watering. By combining durability, eco-friendly materials, and consistent irrigation, the soaker hose for vegetables simplifies watering, promotes healthy plant growth, and reduces water waste. This hose is an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain a thriving garden with minimal effort, providing peace of mind and efficient hydration season after season. Experience effortless, efficient watering with these top-quality soaker hoses. Designed for durability, eco-friendliness, and consistent hydration, they help your garden thrive while saving water, reducing maintenance, and providing a reliable, year-round solution for healthy, flourishing plants.